When I saw this car, that color and that top paint on it just really caught my eye. Well, it's a 64 Fairlane, of course. It's all fiberglass on the front end. It's just kind of a nostalgic drag car, street car. 302 engine, C4 transmission, and I bought it from a gentleman that done most of the work. I've had the painting redone on it, the lettering redone on it for my name and so forth. A guy named Jack Clemons did all the special painting. He's a custom motorcycle painter, and out of California. And
nice work.
Yeah, he's a really good painter.
So how long you been coming to the Holley Hot Rod reunion?
Since it started, and been collecting cars since the 80s. I have a muscle car collection, and used to drag race for 10 years, and I just gonna start getting back into it a little bit maybe. I guess I was telling my friends here earlier, we built those model cars of those gassers and those in the 70s when I was growing up. We built those model cars, and I've just always been a car freak, you know. I always liked cars. I started collecting cars with Mustangs, Boss 302s and that kind of Mustang, and then I've got Chevrolets and Dodges and Fords. I got them all now. I usually bring one up here of some kind, you know, one of my other cars.
So you got any passes under her yet?
Yeah, I've ran one pass, and it's the first time I've drove down that track in 18 years, so I was a little nervous.